Explore the most dangerous and mysterious destinations on the planet, not for the faint of heart. From untouched desert islands, deadly radioactive zones, to active volcanoes, these places are filled with terrifying dangers and chilling histories. These are not only forbidden lands because of their danger, but also mysterious places that stimulate the curiosity of adventurers. Get ready to explore the 10 most dangerous places in the world that few people dare to set foot on. 10th, North Sentinel Island, India. North Sentinel Island, located in the Bay of Bengal, is part of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in India. The remote island is home to the indigenous Sentinelese tribe, one of the last uncontacted peoples in the world. The tribe has steadfastly refused contact with outsiders, and the Indian government has implemented a strict no-entry policy to protect both the Sentinelese and visitors from harm. The island is surrounded by dangerous waters, and access to the island is prohibited due to the ferocious nature of the tribe, who have been known to attack anyone who gets too close. The tribe lives a hunter-gatherer lifestyle and has remained isolated from modern society for thousands of years. Because of its inaccessibility and the tribe's protection, North Sentinel Island remains one of the most dangerous and mysterious places on Earth. 9th, Chernobyl Exclusion Zone, Ukraine. The Chernobyl Exclusion Zone, located in northern Ukraine, was established following the catastrophic nuclear disaster on April 26, 1986, when reactor number 4 of the Chernobyl nuclear power plant exploded, releasing a massive amount of radioactive particles into the atmosphere. The explosion contaminated vast areas of Ukraine, Belarus, and Russia, leading to the evacuation of thousands of people and the creation of a 30-kilometer exclusion zone to limit human exposure to radiation. Today, the area remains largely abandoned, with Pripyat, the city closest to the plant, standing as a haunting ghost town. Although the zone is still off-limits to permanent residents, researchers, and certain workers enter for scientific purposes and maintenance. Despite the ongoing risks from residual radiation, the exclusion zone has become a popular controlled tourist destination, offering a glimpse into a decaying world being reclaimed by nature. This area serves as a powerful reminder of the long-lasting impact of one of the worst nuclear disasters in history. 8. Snake Island, Brazil. Snake Island, or Ilha da Queimada Grande, is a remote and forbidden island located off the coast of Brazil, approximately 90 miles, 145 kilometers, from São Paulo. The island is infamous for being home to one of the world's most dangerous snakes, the golden lancehead viper, Bothrops insularis. This venomous species is found nowhere else on Earth and is extremely lethal, with venom capable of causing severe tissue damage and death. The island's dense vegetation, combined with the sheer number of snakes, makes visiting it highly perilous. Consequently, the Brazilian government has strictly prohibited access to the island, except for scientific research purposes. Legends surrounding the island suggest it was once a haven for pirates and treasure hunters, but today it serves as a nature reserve for the snakes, with an estimated population of around 4,000. Despite its beauty and mysterious allure, Snake Island remains one of the most dangerous and restricted places on the planet. 7. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. The Gates of Hell, located in the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan, is a massive fiery crater that has been burning continuously since 1971. Also known as the Darvaza gas crater, the site was formed when a Soviet drilling rig accidentally collapsed into an underground cavern filled with natural gas. To prevent the release of dangerous methane gas, scientists decided to ignite the area, expecting the fire to extinguish within a few weeks. However, the flames have continued to burn to this day, creating a breathtaking and mysterious spectacle of fire and glowing orange light in the desert. The crater is approximately 70 meters wide and 20 meters deep. The Gates of Hell has become a popular tourist attraction, captivating visitors with its surreal and otherworldly appearance. Despite its unique beauty and allure, the site remains hazardous due to the ongoing flames and the presence of toxic gases. It serves as a powerful reminder of human ingenuity and the unpredictable forces of nature. 6. The Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is an undefined region in the North Atlantic Ocean, marked by 3 points: Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. This area is famous for mysterious disappearances of ships and airplanes over the years, with some reports dating back to the early 20th century. The most well-known incident is the disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945, a group of U.S. Navy bombers that vanished without a trace while on a training mission. While theories about supernatural forces, alien activity, and underwater structures abound, no scientific evidence suggests that the Bermuda Triangle is more dangerous than other heavily trafficked ocean regions worldwide. Some experts attribute these incidents to natural phenomena such as sudden and severe weather changes, methane gas releases from the seabed, and the unpredictable currents of the Gulf Stream. Others believe navigational errors or human mistakes might be the cause. Despite the Bermuda Triangle's continued allure and the myths it fuels, investigations show that the number of incidents in this area is not significantly higher than in other oceanic regions. Nonetheless, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the world's most mysterious and fascinating areas. 5. Mount Nyiragongo, Democratic Republic of Congo. Mount Nyiragongo, located in the Democratic Republic of Congo, is one of the most active and dangerous volcanoes in the world. It is part of the Virunga mountain range in Central Africa and stands 3,470 meters, 11,382 feet tall. This volcano is renowned for its highly active lava lake, one of the rare lava lakes globally. The surface of the lava lake often exceeds temperatures of 1,000 degrees Celsius, 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit, and is constantly in motion, with boiling and flowing lava. Nyiragongo's eruptions are particularly hazardous due to the fluid nature of its lava, which can move at astonishing speeds, sometimes reaching up to 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour. This fast-moving lava can devastate surrounding areas, as demonstrated by the catastrophic 2002 eruption when lava reached the city of Goma, causing extensive damage and displacing over 400,000 people. The eruption also released large amounts of toxic gases, increasing the risks to the local population. The volcano's proximity to Goma, a city with over 1 million residents, makes the area especially vulnerable to eruptions. Despite its dangers, Mount Nyiragongo remains a significant site for scientific research, as studying its volcanic activity helps scientists better understand the dynamics of lava lakes and the risks posed by active volcanoes. However, its unpredictable eruptions continue to make Nyiragongo one of the most fearsome and extensively studied volcanoes in the world. 4. The Dead Sea, Jordan, Shauka, Israel. The Dead Sea, located between Jordan and Israel, is one of the most unique and extreme bodies of water in the world. Renowned for its high salinity, nearly 10 times saltier than the ocean, it is inhospitable to most marine life, hence its name, the Dead Sea. This salinity results from the high evaporation rate in the area, combined with the fact that it is a landlocked body of water with no outlets. As a result, minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium accumulate in the water, endowing it with rich healing properties. The Dead Sea is also famous for being the lowest point on the Earth's surface, sitting about 430 meters, 1,411 feet, below sea level. This extreme location contributes to the region's unique climate, characterized by high temperatures and low humidity. The mineral-rich mud along the shores of the Dead Sea is often used for its therapeutic properties, particularly for skin conditions like psoriasis, as well as for relaxation and overall wellness. The Dead Sea has held historical significance for thousands of years. It is mentioned in ancient texts and served as a source of valuable minerals, including bitumen, which the ancient Egyptians used in mummification. Today, the Dead Sea continues to attract tourists and health seekers from around the globe. Despite its allure, the Dead Sea is shrinking at an alarming rate, with water levels dropping by more than a meter each year due to water diversion and mineral extraction. This environmental concern has sparked calls for conservation and sustainable management of the region's water resources. Tercera, La Rinconada, Peru. La Rinconada, located in the Andes of Peru, is often referred to as the highest permanent settlement in the world, sitting at an altitude of approximately 5,100 meters, 16,700 feet above sea level. This remote mining town, situated in the Puno region, is known for its harsh living conditions and challenging environment. It was established in the 1950s following the discovery of gold in the surrounding mountains and remains an informal hub for gold mining. The town's population fluctuates, but is home to thousands of miners and their families who live in extreme poverty and difficult conditions. Life in La Rinconada is fraught with challenges due to its extreme altitude. The thin air, with significantly reduced oxygen levels, makes breathing difficult, and many residents suffer from altitude sickness. The climate is equally harsh, with freezing temperatures and heavy snowfall in the winter. The town lacks basic infrastructure, such as reliable sewage systems, and many buildings are constructed from recycled materials, leading to poor living conditions. Despite these hardships, many people migrate to La Rinconada in search of gold and a better life, though the work is dangerous and the pay is low. Gold mining in the town is largely unregulated, with miners extracting gold from nearby glaciers and rivers, often without minimal safety measures. Toxic mercury is frequently used in the mining process, contributing to environmental pollution and health risks for the local community. Despite these risks, La Rinconada has become a symbol of resilience and survival as its residents endure poverty, hazardous working conditions, and environmental challenges in pursuit of a better future. Second, Poveglia Island, Italy. Poveglia Island, located in the Venetian lagoon of Italy, is infamous for its dark history and eerie reputation. This small island, spanning just 17 acres, is often considered one of the most haunted places in the world. It has a long history as a plague quarantine station, where thousands of infected individuals were isolated and left to die during the 18th and 19th centuries. The island also served as an asylum for the mentally ill from 1922 to 1968, where patients were reportedly subjected to inhumane treatments, including lobotomies. Due to its association with death and disease, Poveglia has earned a reputation as a place of fear and tragedy. It is believed that the remains of plague victims and patients are still buried on the island, and local legends suggest their spirits continue to haunt the area. Tales of the island's bell tower ringing on its own, and strange sounds heard at night further add to its sinister mystique. Today, Poveglia is abandoned and off-limits to the public, though it remains a compelling subject for ghost hunters and thrill seekers. The Italian government has considered selling the island to private developers, but its dark past has deterred any significant development. Access to Poveglia is tightly controlled, with only a few supervised tours permitted, making it one of Italy's most mysterious and isolated locations. 1. Mount Everest, Nepal, Shin, Tibet. Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, stands at an awe-inspiring height of 29,032 feet, 8,848.86 meters above sea level. Located in the Himalayas on the border between Nepal and Tibet, it is called Sagarmatha in Nepali and Chomolungma in Tibetan, both meaning Mother Goddess of the World. Everest has long been a symbol of human endurance and ambition, drawing climbers from around the globe who aspire to conquer its summit despite the immense challenges it presents. The mountain's staggering height and extreme weather conditions make it one of the most dangerous peaks to climb. Mountaineers face hazards such as altitude sickness, severe cold, avalanches, and unpredictable weather. The infamous death zone above 8,000 meters, where oxygen levels are critically low, is a perilous area where many climbers struggle to survive. Over 300 people have lost their lives on Everest since it was first successfully summited in 1953 by New Zealander Sir Edmund Hillary and Nepali climber Tenzing Norgay. Beyond its physical challenges, Everest has become a battleground for environmental concerns. The growing number of climbers has led to issues like overcrowding, waste accumulation, and the environmental impact of tourism. Despite these challenges, Mount Everest remains a revered destination for mountaineers, offering a unique blend of beauty, danger, and adventure that has captivated explorers for generations.